Good morning, Brandon staff and students, and thank you for tuning in to BTV. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2019. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of quiet reflection. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today is 1A of the specialist rotation.
Now for today's weather. Right now it's a chilly low of 30 degrees with a high of 47 degrees with a forecast of sunny. Be sure to wear your coat outside when it's time to play later.
Our lunch menu today is turkey pot pie, zesty Italian wrap, cheesy pizza, and seasoned broccoli.
Miss Kendall would like to congratulate Teddy Kelly, Mitchell Masters, Ella Sandcliffe, and Margaret Witts for being selected to have their poem published in the National Scholar Society Prejudice Annual Student Anthology, award-winning Young Writers America 2019 and 2020. A panel of educators reviewed thousands of submissions entered in the 2019 to 2020 National Scholar Society Student Poetry Contest.
Less than 35% of entries were selected for publication. Congratulations, they are now published authors and more.
Also, the following students deserve recognition for submitting an entry: James Carter, Charlotte Ludham, Beatrice Reichert, Nina Sands, and Regan Walker. Our IB Learner Profile Attribute of the Month for December is Thinker. What does it mean to be Thinker?
Thinkers use their minds to think deeply and creatively, analyze new information, and take responsible action.
What does it look like to be a thinker?
Thinkers take time to stop so that they have time to solve Thinkers take time to stop so they have time to think about new and creative ways to solve a difficult task. Research topics that interest you, make responsible decisions, reflect on your learning, and ask questions like, what did I just learn? And what improvements might I make the next time? Now here's a word from our Mr. DiCarlo about IB student action.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'm going to do a quick little action segment here because we've got a lot of action that came into me over the last week. If you remember, action is just being able to take what you've learned and then do something with it. It could be something as simple as just participating in class, but we want to try and get a little bit more than that. And so one example of action is just what you see here. They're dressed up in costumes for a reason because they're doing an action as part of their learning about the 1920s, and they'll tell you who their characters are just shortly. First example. Next slide, Alex. Example of action is all the food that we've been turning in for the food drive, and we can see this is just main campus alone. It's grown even more than this, but there's all the cans, and there's our mountain of paper towel, and I know we're going to get even more in this morning. So Beta Club members, if you haven't gone around to collect your items and bring them to my room, please go ahead and do that shortly, so we can get all the bins stacked and we can get all the food organized, so that way they're ready to pick up later this week. Next one. There are a number of fourth grade Beta members who went to Buckhead Church this past weekend and helped to pack boxes for an organization called MedShare. And they helped to pack almost 2,000 boxes worth. And so we can see a number of our students there, like I see Cole and Eli and Caroline and Kate. So we've got a number of them there that helped to with that project. And then lastly, I got word from Miss Halliday that a former student of hers, Jackson McGinnity, felt some compassion for our homeless community and decided he was going to pack some water bottles and Chick-fil-A gift cards and some other knickknacks to be able to go out and deliver to our homeless population. So great job there, Jackson. We really appreciate the work you've done. And keep that action coming, because when I get news of it, I want to report it to all of you. Have a great rest of your week. Thank you.
And now for today's joke of the day. Why did Miss Claus let Santa Miss Claus tell Santa when she looked in the sky?
I don't know. Be safe, Santa?
Nope. Looks like rain, dear.
This concludes today's episode of BTV.
I'm Armand Albert Einstein.
I'm Addie Christopher Robin.
I'm Maylin Shirley Temple.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Jeremy.
Thank you for watching. Have a warm Wednesday. Bye!